Morning everyone, I am in the office today, so I have driven to the office. It was our first frost. We've had an unseasonably warm November and now we're in December. It's gone bang, freezing cold, and I don't know if you can see outside, it's still really foggy and kind of misty and everything. So anyway, I'm in the office today, so I thought I'd bring you with me because it's Vlogmas and that's what we do on Vlogmas. My bag of the day is my La Pliage Le Miao. She's been battered around a little bit. She's full of all sorts of things. So when I started my job, it was during lockdown. So my company shipped out a load of equipment for me, docking station, keyboard, mouse, that kind of stuff. And because I've got my own setup at home, I kept the monitor but put everything else in the cupboard. And so I'm clearing out the cupboards ready for the move. So I'm bringing it all back into the office today and leaving it here. And news on the move, yesterday we exchanged contracts. It was at the last minute. We were told it was going to be like 4:30 in the afternoon, and we were told at 4:30 it didn't happen, and that it was going to be the following day, today. And then we spoke to our solicitor who called us, and I said, oh, you're going to give us the bad news that it didn't happen? And she said, what are you talking about? We've just exchanged contracts. So, you know, line of communication, that was all exciting. I wish we could just do it on one big conference call and just have everyone there. That's how I'd do it as a project manager. Get all of the key stakeholders on a call, bish bash bosh, you ready, let's go, you ready, let's go. Not an individual chain of phone calls. Anyway, I digress. So that was a bit way woo. The line has found the removals people, phew, because I was having visions, because they're all really busy. Apparently December is silly season. Everyone wants to move for Christmas. They all want to be in for Christmas. Personally, I think it's just way too much stress, but we're doing it. So the line managed to find a removals firm who had a bit of flexibility as well, and they were able to say, do you know, if it slips by a day or not, then we're okay. You'll be fine. Don't worry about it. So that was a massive relief, because I was having visions of us on the day of completion sitting outside on the pavement, surrounded by boxes, half broken down furniture, and two very angry cats, and not being able to get to our new house. But it's all sorted. So we've got, basically, we're moving on the 14th. So that's what Vlogmas is going to be about this year. It is definitely turning into Housemas. I need another coffee and I need to crack on with some work. Hopefully going out for lunch with one of my colleagues, so that'll be nice. And yeah, see you later, alligators. Morning, you right? Still very foggy. Lots of deliveries today. I've got to stop doing that. I'm home and I'm going to show you what I was wearing today, my outfit of the day, and we're going to get into some advent calendars, and then I've got to get changed and show you my outfit of the evening because we're going out for dinner with friends. Excuse all of the boxes and everything still in the way. The tidy up has yet to happen. I'm wearing this leopard print, navy, blue and white leopard print linen shirt top type thing, which you might think is a bit more summery, but I wore it for work today with these skinny jeans that I never remember where I got these from, whether they're Oasis or Next or Marks and Sparks, and an old John Lewis belt, and these M&S booties that were very, very comfy, and then I have my big tan coat. Right, let's get into the advent calendars. I am probably not going to eat the candy kittens today because I'm about to go out for dinner. Where is number 2? Where did I put it? I built this. I should know where it is. There it is. Number 2. This one says, me every day. Slay. S-L-A-Y. Me in December. Slay. S-L-E-I-G-H. I like it. I like it a lot. We've got more gummy ones. So this must be the apple and I've forgotten grapefruit. Watermelon. I'll have one. Yummy. The lion enjoyed the one I shared with him. Oh, it's 12 days of Vlogmas, isn't it? Where's number 3? I get to have 2 of these. This one says, does Santa define naughty? I think we all have our own definitions of naughty, don't you? This one is the same, so I'm going to leave those and share them with the lion after din-dins. Okay, let's go for one of these. This is my homemade advent calendar. And I have chosen this Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Now my eyebrows are, if I say so myself, magnificent, but they're also incredibly unruly. So I've been looking for a brow gel that wasn't coloured. It was like a clear brow gel. So this is a 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. Is going out for dinner the best time to road test a new product? Perhaps not, but I'm going to do it anyway. Let's dive in and see what the scent of the day is. Let me show you something. I literally got home and just chucked my bag down, but I did do taking this to work today, so I can have a little top up. I'm getting more of sort of pistachio Turkish delight as well. Shared this with one of my colleagues who I went for lunch with. That was absolutely lovely to go for lunch with her, and she loved it as well, so that was a win. Right, number 2. Number 2, where are you? Number 2 is right at the back. This one feels quite a bit lighter. Pretty box again. It does feel very light, this one, actually. This is in a little bag, and the bag says, I can't see what the bag says. It's got something printed on it, but it's a light colour on top of a light colour, which does not make it easy to read. This is Harrods La Superbar Rossa Extract de Parfum Natural Spray. Oh, hello! You're quite different. Where's the tasting notes? Right, is that what I'm looking for? Tiziana Terenzi La Superbar Rossa Parfum Limonen alpha isomethylionin coumarin. So right, so what? Citronellol. Okay, looks like geranium. That doesn't make any sense to me at all. But this is really reminding me of Dior Hypnotic Poison, and I'm here for it because I really like Hypnotic Poison. Let's put a little, oh, and it's got a very citrusy undertone, and then it goes really woody. Okay, I'm gonna spray more of this on once I've gotten changed. So I guess that's the next thing for me to do. Has my watch stopped? What a time for my battery to die on my Cartier. It literally died 57 minutes ago. Amazing. Well, that's something I'll have to do this weekend. I'm going to get changed. I'm changed, but I'll show you my outfit in a second. I have just used this brow gel. It feels really nice going on. It's great, and I'm all freshly brushed out, my eyebrows. What do you think of those? I can't see. I can't see without my glasses on, and these are the wrong glasses, Gromit. So I'm wearing that. I've just put a little bit of eyeshadow on. Basically wearing the same makeup I've worn all day, because I've literally had a 5-minute turnaround. I've got Chanel lip ink on, and this one is, which one is this one? Oh, they make the writing so tiny. Oh, this is my favourite one. This is 170, I think it is. It's Euphoria. Really love this colour, so I'm going to take this with me. I'm also going to take my Gucci lip balm, which I've been wearing all day, so as the evening goes on I don't have to reapply this one. I'll just drop that on. Okay, so this is my new mint velvet top, which I am, oh yoicks, which I am loving the look of. I think I'm going to have to keep pulling it forward, but yeah, I really like it. I really like the balloon sleeves and the fact that they're cuffed with elastic. So that's the top. Same jeans as I was wearing, and then these are Carvela mock croc embossed, kind of Cuban heel type, cowboy type booties. And my bag of the evening, I am taking Ms. Basquiat Beat 18, because our friends who are going, my mate H, she is a big Basquiat fan, which I didn't know for years, because we've always talked about the art she makes rather than other people's art. So yeah, she's a big Basquiat fan, and I don't think she's seen that bag, so I'm taking it tonight. She can have a look at it. So that is outfit of the evening, and the Lion has just ordered our taxi.
No Oxford Street, is it?
Say that again?
No Oxford Street.
No Oxford Street. Buenasado, Argentinian Steak House. This is where we are going.
Please.
Thank you.